Hello friends, once again I am here with my new topic in MySQL nested query. Till now you have learned simple query. So you know that a database is a collection of multiple related tables. Now while generating insights from data, you may need to refer to those multiple tables in a query. There are two ways to deal with such type of queries, joins or nested queries. So what is nested query? Nested query, a query within another one query is known as nested query. So we have a table market factful in our database if we want to print the order number of most valuable customer. How we will print it? And what is the difference between the query we were using and in this query? Select order ID for order, sales and round sales as rounded sales. It's a aggregated function. So from table name where sales is equal to xyz. Till now we have learned in the way where sales is greater than, sales is highest than, sales is 20,000, sales is this, some condition. This is the first time we are studying like a query within the query. First, what is the application of this? Like if we are writing this, in our if in some certain conditions sales changes, maximum sales changes, then it query will run accordingly. It's a dynamic query. If we are using filter like where sales is equal to 10,000, then it's not a dynamic query. If sales are changing with time, then you have to specify, you have to rewrite this one query in a normal query. So under normal circumstances, we have said that sales is equal to, and also in this particular case of filter condition, as there is another query there, so it is known as a nested query. There is a, so it's a large query. So if I am going to run this, select order ID sales from table name, and we have rounded this table where sales is, we have put another condition. If I'm going to run this, see, we got order ID, sales and rounded figure. So this is the order ID for this one sale. Where sale is this, and this is the maximum sale, and we also rounded this. So this is the most profitable order in our database, in our table, which we are looking for. So it's the highest sales value in our database, which which has the order ID 5446. So nested query is going to select the maximum sales with the table from market factful. So why we didn't take separately? Why we didn't take separately? See, if I'm going to run this one query separately, this one, what is the result of this? First, see this. The result will be same. There is no difference. Now, I am going to run third one query. Select order ID this and where sales is this. Till now we have used this, then please run this. So we got the same result. So, but why we use first one? Queries, because it's better query than this one query. The reason why the nested query is better than the second query, in the second query we got the same result. But we are hard code about this one sale. This is the value is this. Consider there is some another value. I have to go and modify the query to get the more precise value. So by expressing it in the form of nested query, we can make it more generic. So tomorrow if some other value come, we do not need to modify. So this is a more generic form of writing the query. So this is very useful in many ways. If I want to find which customer is having large number of orders and which is the order having maximum number of item, so what is the order quantity and so on, you can always use to write more complicated query which is known as nested query, which is really useful and which is really a generic query. So this is the application of nested query. I think you understood print the order number of most valuable customer. How to print? Select order ID who is most valuable, who has more sales. If at the advance we have done round the sales, if that is having any point value, so we can round. From this base sales is this. Please do more and more practice so you can understand how to write it down. And write here for some different conditions too. The condition is this in the form of query. Then you can understand what is going on. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.